Ready to unlock your creative potential? Today, we're exploring the top drawing tablets of the year that will transform your art game. Whether you're a pro or just picking up a stylus for the first time, we've got the perfect picks to fit every style and budget. Let's dive in and find your next creative powerhouse. As always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Grabbing the sixth spot, the Wacom One 13 Touch is an excellent option for those who prefer a touchscreen drawing tablet. It features a full HD resolution display and supports multi-touch gestures, offering a more intuitive and interactive drawing experience. The tablet's paper-like screen and palm rejection technology contribute to a natural and comfortable drawing feel. While it does require an external device to function and comes with a higher price tag, its touchscreen capabilities and overall performance make it a solid choice for many digital artists. In the fifth position, the Xencelabs pen tablet bundle stands out for its inclusion of various accessories, enhancing the drawing experience. This bundle features a drawing glove, 2 battery-free pens, and a programmable controller for custom key bindings. These extras provide added comfort and functionality, making it easier to adapt the tablet to your specific needs. Although it lacks a built-in display, the combination of useful accessories and a well-designed tablet makes it a great choice for artists who value customization and convenience. Coming next, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is worth considering if you're looking to invest in premium equipment. This high-end drawing tablet offers a stunning 4K resolution display, which provides exceptional clarity and color accuracy. It's designed for artists who want the best in visual fidelity and detail. The Cintiq Pro 24 also integrates seamlessly with Wacom software and features a highly responsive pen, making it a dream for intricate and detailed artwork. While the high price tag might be a barrier for some, it delivers an unparalleled drawing experience for those who can afford it. Leading the pack as the best overall choice, the iPad Pro 6th generation stands out with its powerhouse performance and stunning display. The liquid retina display with true tone delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for intricate digital art. Powered by the M2 chip, this tablet offers blazing fast performance and extended battery life, essential for those marathon art sessions. Plus, its compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2 brings added convenience with magnetic attachment and wireless charging. Though it comes with a higher price tag, the iPad Pro is a top-tier option for professionals seeking both exceptional power and portability. Following that, the Wacom Intuos Pro is renowned for its exceptional performance in the realm of screenless drawing tablets. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and virtually no lag, it's a top choice for professional artists who demand precision. Available in small, medium, and large sizes, it caters to various artwork scales and preferences. The tablet's customizable express keys and multi-touch gestures further enhance its usability. However, it does require an external screen for visual feedback, and frequent nib replacements might be necessary. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Intuos Pro remains a standout option for those who prioritize performance and responsiveness. Starting with the best for budget-conscious artists, the Huion Kamvas Pro 12. For those on a budget, this tablet offers incredible value without sacrificing essential features. It provides plus or minus 60 pen tilt support and customizable express keys, allowing for a more personalized and efficient drawing experience. Its 120% sRGB color gamut ensures that your artwork is vibrant and true to life, while the anti-glare technology makes it easier to work in well-lit environments. Though it requires a connection to a computer, which limits its portability, the Kamvas Pro 12 is an excellent choice for artists who need high-quality performance at a lower price point. That wraps up our guide to the best drawing tablets of the year. We hope this detailed overview helps you find the perfect tablet for your artistic needs. Happy drawing! Thank you for watching. You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.